this flipped video, we're going to go over two things. The first thing is the continuous perspective, which is one of the learning goals. And Carsten is going to talk about that in the start of this video. Then we're going to have about the passive and active voice, which I'm going to explain a bit about.
Hello class, I'm going to talk about the continuous perspective, and there are three essential parts to this, and I'm going to go through them right now. They're called, number one, to stress that an activity is temporary and specific. That could be the dog is barking, for example. Number two is called repeat, similar, ongoing action. That could be I was reading yesterday, rather than I read yesterday. Number three is called two activities happening simultaneously, causing a form of interruption. An example of that could be I was taking notes yesterday while my teacher was speaking simultaneously. Causes a kind of interruption. So, how we structuralize the continuous perspective is like this: be plus ing, where ing comes after the verb be. So, in this case, in the present tense, the sun is shining, takes the place of be. And the same thing goes for this example. The fish were swimming. In the past tense, were takes place of be. And this is in plural, so we say were or was if it was in singular. And the same goes for up here. It's in singular, who are in plural, and it would be are.
Yeah. In the active voice, the subject is the doer of the action. And how an active voice sentence is built is by a subject, a verb, and an object. And you'll see that in this example. The man must have eaten 5 hamburgers. And here I will give an explanation of it, how it's active voice. The man, which is the subject, is doing the eating, which is the verb, of the hamburgers, which is the object. The sentence here is therefore an active voice sentence. Now we have about the passive voice. In the passive voice, the subject is not the doer of the action. The way the passive voice is built, or the sentences are built, are by an object, a verb, and then a subject. And here I have an example of it. The example is called, the letter was mailed by Marilyn. Here, the letter is the object, and the letter was object, and the mail was a verb, and Marilyn is the subject. And this is a passive sentence, which is the opposite of an active voice. When we look at the passive voice and the active voice, you will see a major difference. Here, in the passive voice sentence, you'll see that the build of the sentence is object, verb, and subject. And over in the active voice sentence, it will do a 180, which means we'll turn the build around. So it stands like subject, verb, and object.